Hi, now we start the next section, the force of interest. The interest rate may be constant, but they may not be constant over time. So the interest rate is changing over time and continuously. So we want to define the momentary interest rate. So the force of interest, delta sub t, is defined as the derivative of accumulation function divided by AT itself. So simply, if we think about the prime as the derivative with respect to t, a prime t over a of t. Or we can just use the amount function also. So a of t, derivative of this, divided by capital Y of t. So the idea is that if we have t here and the amount function here, a of t, then it starts with 1 and the increasing. And if we think about some point t sub naught and we want to think about the momentary interest rate. So interest rate at the time point of t naught, that is basically the slope of the figure. So this is yes. So but the interest rate always divided by the principal. Right, so that if you get the $2, the $2 out of what? So if you deposit $100 and you get $2, then we get we calculate 2 over 100. That is the interest rate. So the force of interest, also this is continuous version, but still that we have a of t in denominator. So the example, suppose that a of t is equal to 1 plus 0.2t. So this is the 20% simple interest. And we would like to calculate the delta t at 1. So delta 1. What is delta 1? Then the delta 1 is equal to a prime of 1 over a of 1. So this is the a prime of 1. So a prime, okay, so a prime of t is equal to 0.2. So this is the 0.2 divided by a of 1. A of 1 is 1 plus 0.2 times 1. So 0.2 over 1.2. So this is the 0.167. So actually this is 16.66%. So this is actually lower than 20%. So simple interest, at the beginning, it's earning 20%. But even the principal gets larger, the increase, the rate of increase, I mean, the amount of increase does not change. So that means the interest rate, the effective interest rate, sorry, the force of interest rate gets smaller and smaller. So even after 5 years, the AT becomes 2, but still it increases only 0.2 per year. So interest rate becomes 10% at that time. The force of interest becomes 10%. Okay, so this is the definition of the force of interest.